Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button, like, comment, and share.
I've been testing out this Victory V8 from Zeiss. What I need in a rifle scope is something that I can trust completely, help me achieve my goals, and this is just a phenomenal piece of hardware. For stuff like this, where you have very, very close shots on dangerous predators, it's great to have the 1.8 magnification, where you can just do a very, very quick shot or a backup shot, even on running game, charging game. On 400 meters, turn it up to 14 times magnification, and it works. Another good thing about it is when you hunt out here, the conditions change, so you need good light transmission all the time. This kind of setup can mean the difference between great success and a good trip, or not being able to make that shot when it really, really counts. It's really amazing to have so many options and so many opportunities.
Of a classic day sight, the form factor of the DigX allows the lowest possible mounting point, flexible positioning on the rifle, and an appealing external view. HD resolution sensor and display, enhanced nighttime sensitivity, high quality fast optics, high magnification and powerful built-in IR for a moonless night make the DigX the perfect tool for detecting animals at distances out over 500 meters. Activating the high precision aiming frame allows the user to closely control the image in the aiming area, while being visually aware of the entire field of view at the same time. The DigX starts up within 3 seconds of pressing the on button. DigX rifle scopes feature a built-in recorder to capture still images or HD quality video. DigX is a high-precision, user-friendly shooting tool. Some of its electronic aiming reticles are ballistic, and the aiming point is stable across the entire range of magnifications. At maximum magnification, the zeroing adjustment increments are less than 0.1 MOA. 5 shooting profiles can hold up to 50 zeroing distances. DigX can be used with large caliber rifles as well as smoothbore and airsoft weapons. When the external battery is discharged, the rifle scope switches automatically to the built-in battery. The external battery can be removed and replaced in seconds. An invisible, completely eye-safe IR illuminator allows observation while remaining unnoticed, and without the fear that animals could be frightened away. The DigX connects via Wi-Fi to mobile devices. The user only needs a smartphone, the free Stream Vision app, and internet access to install new firmware. Updates with new functions and improvements are installed on the rifle scope by the user. Stream Vision transfers images from the DigX to the smartphone's display, duplicates the controls for digital functions, and helps to transfer, in real time, the images to the internet. The metal housing of the DigX rifle scopes is both rugged and lightweight. The rifle scope is flexibly mounted on the weapon using 30mm mounting rings. DigX will operate in sub-zero temperatures, precipitation of any intensity, and even survive submersion. DigX is easy to use. Dedicated buttons for the basic functions are easily accessible. Combined with the HD quality AMOLED display, the wide-angled eyepiece delivers rich and deep image perception.
Zoom ratios on the market and offers a ton of rugged and innovative features that make it the perfect rifle scope for professional shooters and military agencies. So first, let's talk about its clarity. The Mark 8 is built around Leupold's professional-grade optical system. It delivers unmatched light transmission that is designed to outperform in the most challenging conditions. It also has industry-leading glare reduction, so you can always count on having a clear image even in direct, harsh light. And its resolution and clarity are second to none. Combine that with our scratch-resistant lenses and you're guaranteed to have a clean and clear image at the range and on the battlefield. The Mark 8 comes with 3 different dial options: the M5B1, the M5B2, and the M5C2. The M5B1 is a pinch and turn dial that auto-locks in every position to prevent inadvertent adjustments. It has a visual and tactile revolution indicator, so you always know where you're at on the adjustment. And the aggressive knurling around the edges make it easy to grip and operate. The M5B2 option has the same functionality, but is a 2-revolution dial for increased elevation travel. The M5C2 is our low-profile 2-turn dial that uses our zero-lock technology to prevent inadvertent adjustment. This dial provides 1/10 mils per click and 20 mils of travel overall. It also has visual and tactile revolution indicators, so you'll always know what revolution you're on. The available 34 and 35mm main tubes ensure you have plenty of elevation travel for those longer shots. And the 8:1 zoom ratio gives you a ton of flexibility in the field. This means that your top end magnification will always be 8 times more than your bottom end magnification. So with a single scope, you have the option to dial your power down for close quarter engagements or crank it up for those longer shots. It's currently available in an extremely versatile 1.1 to 8x24 and a 3.5 to 25x56 magnification. The high-speed power selector makes changing between these magnifications quick and easy in the field, even with gloves on. This front focal plane scope has a ton of reticle options to choose from. Whether you prefer a Christmas tree style grid or a simpler design like our tactical million reticle, you're guaranteed to have accurate holdovers throughout the entire magnification range. Illuminated options with our motion sensor technology are also available. The Mark 8 rifle scope was designed for the military and has repeatedly proven its rugged durability in the field. Like all Leupold rifle scopes, it's fog-proof, waterproof, and extremely lightweight. It's also designed, machined, and assembled right here in the USA. And of course, it's guaranteed to perform for life.
The Sightmark Wraith 432x50 digital rifle scope is both a daytime color optic and digital night vision rifle scope. The Wraith features a 1920x1080 HD color imaging on a 1280x720 high-resolution FLCOS display, featuring daylight use and transitions to traditional grayscale digital night vision imaging to unlock the mysteries of the dark. The Wraith is recoil rated up to 308 and boasts a rugged aluminum body with IP55 water-resistant protection, a Picatinny rail accessory mount, 50mm objective lens, digital controls, power unit, micro USB port, powerful 850 nanometer infrared LED illuminator with a nighttime detection range of up to 200 yards away, and a micro SD card slot. Why the micro SD card? The Wraith includes onboard video and still photo capability and stores the content on a micro SD card. A 64GB card is capable of holding thousands of images or approximately 7 hours of video, and videos and photos are produced in popular AVI and JPG formats. The Wraith accepts up to a 256GB micro SD card. Rounding out the feature-rich Sightmark Wraith rifle scope is 4 to 32 variable magnification and 1 to 8 power digital zoom. The Wraith also includes 5 firearm profile saves, 1/4 MOA windage and elevation adjustments, simple user menu interface, and 10 reticle options in 9 colors for a truly customized shooting and hunting experience. While the Sightmark Wraith is powered by 4 AA batteries for up to 3.5 hours in video mode and 4.5 hours in preview mode. To extend battery life in the optic itself, the LED IR illuminator is powered separately by 2 CR123A batteries. The Wraith.
Thanks for watching. Product buying links are given in the video description.